new investors to read so that they can get the basics of it, and a lot of psychology they should get from that.
Right. So one of the best books that I have read, I'll just speak about them.
Again, क्या होता है कि all the big investors, when you watch their interviews, everyone is focused on explaining to the new people that you should read a lot, right?
Right.
You should do a lot of reading. मतलब reading is required, because when you are fundamentally analyzing a company, you need to read the annual reports, you need to read the transcripts of the con calls, you need to read the notes to accounts, and for personal development also you do need to read a lot of investing books, a lot of personal development books and all. So what kind of books did you read during when you were starting, and which books, which top 2 3 4 books you would like to suggest the new investors to read so that they can get the basics of it, and a lot of psychology they should get from that?
Right. So one of the best books that I have read, I'll just speak about them. So Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So वहाँ पे he kind of explains what the rich do, which the poor don't. Right. So वहाँ पे आपको एक ये आ जाता है कि ये करना है अगर मुझे फाइनेंशियली फ्री होना है. So
Right.
and then this is what I should do. Right.
Right.
So उसके बाद I read something called as Dhando Investor by Monish Pabrai.
Monish Pabrai.
Right.
Right. Right.
सो दैट टेल्स यू कि इन्वेस्टमेंट अगर आप कर रहे हैं तो वो कैसा रहना चाहिए. हिज मेथड इज हेड्स यू विन, टेल्स यू डोंट लूज मच.
Right.
अगर आप किसी चीज को बाय कर रहे हैं, अगर गलत भी होता है यू लूज वेरी लिटिल, अगर सही
Right.
होता है देन यू मेक बम्पर रिटर्न्स.
Right.
राइट. सो
Right.
उसके बाद पीटर लिंच, आई थिंक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन्वेस्टर्स आउट देयर, पीटर लिंच.
Absolutely.
तो उनका बुक है हाउ व्हाट इज दैट, बीटिंग द
How
स्ट्रीट. सो
beating
बीटिंग
this.
द स्ट्रीट इज वेरी गुड.
Yeah.
So उसके बाद you can even for the Indian market something called as coffee can compounding by Saurabh Mukherjee,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
gives you an idea how an investor can make money, and also a few points like capex, ROCE, these terms, how important are they when you're investing, right?
Right.
And then the last one I would say for an investor would be How to Make Money in Stocks by William O'Neill, right? So
Yes.
that is also a
Right.
fantastic book. बट मुझे ट्रेडिंग में एक ही बुक आई हैव रेड टू बी ऑनेस्ट. अभी फिलहाल 2022 में मैंने दूसरा बुक रीड किया है.
Okay.
बट इन 2018 व्हेन आई वाज गोइंग टू दैट बैड फेज,
Mm-hmm.
आई रेड अ बुक ऑन दिस ट्रेडिंग बाय जेसी लिवरमोर, हाउ टू ट्रेड इन स्टॉक्स.
Okay.
बहुत पुराना बुक है, वेरी
Mm-hmm.
स्मॉल बुक. He talks more on the psychology,
Okay.
right? So if someone wants to build a psychology of a trader, then that book I would recommend. And Filal 2022, every bear market teaches me something, Moji. So
Right.
2022 bear market is when I learned these stage-wise analysis by Stan Weinstein,
Yes.
the profiting from bull and bear
Bull and
market.
bear markets.
That is the book that I read
Right.
recently.
Right.
So
Right.
these two trading books I would definitely recommend
Right.
people to read it.
The viewers, they should definitely note these list of the books down, और अभी से बाय करके एक एक करके पढ़ना स्टार्ट कर दो. स्टार्ट विद रिच डैड पुअर डैड, और
Right.
वहां से फिर स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग, बिकॉज पर्सनल फिनांस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
True.
Because once you understand personal finance, then only you are going to understand कि how to make money. मतलब if you know कि how to manage money, then it is a good idea to study about making money and the psychology behind it. ठीक है. So that was very important for the new investors.